Okay guys, so you already know that when we have multiple 2's added together, we can write them down as multiple. So what we've really got here is 2 plus 2 plus 2. But there's also going to be another term that we can use instead of having things added up multiple times, but we can have them multiplied multiple times, and we call that an exponent. So let's take an example. Perhaps instead of having 2 times 3, we can have 2, let's have a pen, 2 to the power of 3. And what that really means is we've got 2 times 2 times 2. So this number here is representing how many times we multiplied 2 together. And so the answer then is 2 times 2 times 2, which is, I'm going to get a new colour pen here, it's 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So that's my answer. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Okay, so let's see what happens when I'm recording here. We got 3 to the power of 2. So we've flipped it around. Let's see what it really means. So what we've got is 3 times 3, because there's 2 up here and we've done it twice. Well, we know that 3 times 3 is 9. So flipping around the exponent doesn't give you the same answer. Whereas if we'd had this one up here, if we'd had 2 and we'd said that number was second, so the first number was going to be 3. 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 times 3 is also 6. So they were the same, but with exponents, flipping them around doesn't give you the same answer. So before we had 2 to the 3, now we've got 3 to the 2, and we've had 8 to start with, and now we've got 9. So how about we take a number and we get bigger still. So let's take a 5 and give it to the power of 4. Now here we're getting our numbers get much, much bigger, because we're not doing 5 times 4, we're doing 5 to the power of 4, which really means we've got 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, 4 times, okay? Well, what have we got? We've got 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125, and 125 times 5 is 625. So our numbers have got absolutely huge in a short time. Now, in your notes, what I want you to do is record that so that you've got a memory of it for the future.